Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 9 best Samsung Z Flip 4 clear cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Many people want to show off their flagship phones that they have invested so much in, but they have to protect them as well. But wait, there is always a solution to every problem. Many well-known brands in the market are providing people relief from this issue. Just like always, they come up with the best of their clear cases. The Z Flip 4 has just been announced, and it is now available for pre-order for the usual 2 weeks. The Z Flip 4 is an incremental update to the previous Z Flip 3, but it is still a beautiful device that you will want to protect with a case. That's where we come in. In this video, we'll have the best Z Flip 4 clear cases available right now, from brands we know and trust, to help you find the best case for your new clamshell foldable phone. 9. Visvira clear case with ring. This case fits snugly around your fingers, providing added security when holding the phone. The ring surface is smooth and comfortable, making it easier for you to hold your phone. Made of high-quality PC materials, ultra-thin, lightweight, fine texture, will not add weight to the phone. Precise laser cutting technology, easy access to device buttons, enjoy the original phone's touch and speed. The phone case's edge is smooth, and it feels comfortable against your fingers. This Z Flip 4 phone case's stylish design will undoubtedly win you favor. 8. Xenoxy case. The ideal fit precision cutouts for speakers, charging ports, and buttons allow for easy access to all buttons and ports. Wireless charging is supported. Long-lasting protection from drops, scratches, and scrapes is provided by a premium TPU frame and a hard PC backplate. Bumpers protect against unintentional impact. They are lightweight and extremely durable. This ideal case made with odorless ink and scratch-resistant certification. Every one of our artworks is printed with odorless, certified scratch-resistance ink for long-term durability. Snug fit, not bulky, and simple to put on and take off. 7. Xenoxy protective phone case. Customized ring holder gripping on the back of your sleek new Flip 4 phone can add style and security. Made of transparent hard premium plastic with high transparency, it can display the original color of your Z Flip 4 phone and will never yellow. The Samsung Z Flip 4 case is 0.5 millimeter taller than the screen and 1.1 millimeters taller than the camera, allowing it to protect your phone's screen and camera from scratches. This Galaxy Flip 4 case has perfect holes for the charger, speaker, earphones, on/off switch, and volume. The charging port is extremely simple to access. In addition, a matching flexible and tactile button. 6. Cyril color brick. If you're looking for a low-cost case for your new Galaxy Flip 4, Cyril is a great option. It's a Spigen sub-brand, so you'll still get excellent quality, but there are fewer models to keep prices low. There is, in fact, only one model for this phone, and it is this simple translucent case. There are 2 border colors to choose from, but regardless of which you choose, installation is quick and simple. Spigen technology combined with Cyril design for an easy installation process and a unified final appearance. 5. AI case ultra thin. This Samsung Galaxy Flip 4 case is made of high-quality Germany tough PC clear back, which is scratch-resistant and anti-yellowing. The raised bezels on the Samsung Flip 4 case provide additional protection for the screen and camera, while the inner advanced microdot design prevents watermarks. Our Z Flip 4 slim case is designed to preserve the original beauty of your phone while making it easy to grip and carry on a daily basis. AI case is custom-made for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 5G. Wireless charging is supported. 4. IMSP clear case with protector. Wireless charging is supported by the IMSP case. Slim fit with an ergonomic grip design that allows you to easily slip it in and out of your pockets. And the convenience of one-handed texting, gaming, and selfies allows you to handle with confidence. The screen protector is not made of tempered glass, but of premium thermoplastic polyurethane, TPU, a flexible material that can cover the entire screen of the Z Flip 4, providing maximum scratch protection. With nano-elastic to prevent screen breakage from falls. Because of the use of a high permeability glue with strong adhesion, small scratches and air bubbles can be repaired automatically within 24 hours. 3. Restone case. Flexible TPU and polycarbonate hybrid design for dual drop and scratch protection. The unique hinge design prevents the case from slipping off the phone. Crystal cases showcase the unique beauty of your phone and DIY decor. 4H anti-scratch and yellow resistance to maintain a clean appearance. The ultra-thin case's reinforced cushion corners raise the screen and camera lens. Provides 360-degree full-body shock absorption. 2 Rinky slim clear case. What's thin, tough, and displays your new phone? Clear Rinky slim tough case. Because it's pointless to choose a gorgeous Z Flip 4 color if you're going to hide it, this clear case allows you to enjoy whichever color Galaxy Z Flip 4 you chose. You're not interested in showing off your phone? This case is also available in black. The interior of the case has anti-slip pads that secure your phone to the case, preventing it from moving around when you open or close your phone. It's also one of the slimmest cases available, with a pocket-friendly profile and simple 2-piece assembly. 1 Spigen thin fit ring case. Spigen has created a case that protects your new Galaxy Z Flip 4 while also adding functionality thanks to the built-in ring that allows you to hang the phone from a hook on the wall or a carabiner from your waistband. The thin fit ring case is ultra slim and lightweight while still protecting against bumps and scratches. It only comes in the crystal clear colorway and is wireless charging and NFC compatible. Spigen's thin fit ring case retails for $49.99 on Amazon. If you prefer something that will highlight the color of your new clamshell foldable while also providing a fashionable ring to hold your phone in folded form, consider the Spigen thin fit ring. This ultra slim, lightweight case with a crystal clear design adds no bulk to your new phone. Because it is transparent, it will show off the color of your new phone. So guys, this was the video about the best Samsung Z Flip 4 clear cases 2022. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.